This is a tinsmith stake. It's been lying around for years actually, and it's a very handy thing, except I don't have a stand for it, or I didn't, and it's quite well designed because that end is angled and you can just prop the thing up like that and work on the beak end of it. But I've finally made myself a stand for it. It's the centre of an old tractor wheel with a piece of plate welded onto it and a piece of box section on that. So I had a look at this thing, and the whole of the column has some taper to it, and it just fits inside the box section, so it's ideal. There, that is going to be a really handy thing to work with. I thought I was going to have to heat it up and drive the thing in, but it's made a jolly solid base for it. Unfortunately, the surface on this one is quite badly damaged. Somebody has been chiselling on it. I have another one which is in better condition, but I can't just find it at the moment. Anyway, for my purposes, this is fine. Now, it's around 30 inches long. It weighs about 40 pounds. That's about 18 kilograms to those of you who insist in working in Mickey Mouse. And for anybody who tinkers, if they have a chance of getting hold of one, I would say get hold of it. Yeah. Just the ticket for beating metal on. Well, I got really carried away, giving it a coat of paint, and I've polished the thing with a coarse disc in the electric sander. The disc was 36 grit, really coarse thing. Bought a bunch of them once, and so they need using. The reason the thing got painted was after the preliminary grind away with this 36 grit very aggressive disc, I tried to wear the grit disc down a bit by sanding the rest of the thing down, just so I get a bit more polish on the surface. Anyway, as you can see, I haven't taken it through all those chisel marks. I'd probably have to take 1/8 of an inch off the thing to get the worst of them out, but it will do for me. Good job.